So, what's up mga tropa? Tayong sa Salomong Montreal.
Kita mo yan? School yan. School yan, di ba? Diyan nag-aral si Jean Libog. Jean Libog. Maraming anak yun.
Yeah?
Oo. Kasi nga malibog siya.
Akala ko na to. Ay, sila.
So ayan,
Oh, dyan naglakad sila ano.
dalawang Montreal. Dito galing yung Bex Battalion.
Basilica.
At naulan na. Naulan. Naulan. So, ito na nga po ang Old Montreal. Mga pasis dyan, napaka-old.
Y lo que se dice...
The door is closed like may buday.
Ay, saan yung pinuntahan natin ate?
Doon nga.
Oh.
Tatawid tayo.
Tatawid.
Oh.
Inaulan na.
Di ba husay na ulan? Hop, tatawid mo na. Ano po?
That's the hardest one. Like, I could try to do the other one, but like...
The force that is cold.
Ayan, may mga pagkapagkain naman pala dyan eh.
Restaurant kaya, mamahalin yung mga yan.
Kaya ako na, huwag ka na lumapit sa akin. Dahil ka nananakit.
Tinulak mo
Kaya ako, hindi kita tinulak talaga.
Then yeah, there's the fruits.
Mahal dyan.
Yeah, oh.
Nandiyan si Mahal.
The cabana soup, pre.
Okay lang.
Kabanasok.
The maple syrup, taffy maple syrup. Then look at
Pwede ka magpatrawin ng caricature dyan eh.
this beautiful
Ha?
Caricature.
caricature. Look at this, very very beautiful. Look at the tourists, man. Look at the tourists. I will interview the tourist. Sir.
Yes. What can I do for you?
Are you new here, sir?
Yes. I just dropped here right now. Yeah. Because I came from heaven and you know, because I'm an angel.
Oh, you're an angel?
Yeah. So what can you say about Montreal?
Oh, it's beautiful, sir. Look at
Yan, may mga interview tayo ditong foreigner. Ito po. Ito
Hello,
po si
guys.
Sir, anong pangalan nyo?
Jean-Marie Vogue.
Jean-Marie Vogue.
Yes.
So what can you say about the old Montreal?
It's beautiful. You can
Yeah.
you can sense a lot of history of the
It's the old.
beginnings. Yeah, exactly. Of the past and the future and the present, and then you can feel everything else in the.
So you think, sir, this is the venue where the Fast and the Furious like?
Yeah,
you know?
yeah. The you can see there's the Vin Diesel right there,
Yeah.
and then
Yeah, I saw Vin Diesel like in the gasoline station. There's a lot of diesel there. And there's a kerosene and
no,
gasoline.
naggas. Ayun di. Yan.
Hindi tayo ron, talaga tayo. Ayun na, viewport. And give up for...
Kasi wala ka na
Yeah, it's like if you like historical stuff, it's another place.
So, stop na natin. Bili tayo.
Newport to di. Hindi naman to old.
Ayun na, view. View means old.
Oh.
Hindi naman sinabing nubu. Yeah. May carnival dito.
Ah.
Yan. Paganda ibon. So meron dito malaking Ferris wheel. Gusto rin makita ni Mami pinutuhan nila Chad Kinis. Siya may yung ano oh. Yung lumang... Ayan oh. Saan? Wait, naman, magbabayad ka? So, post muna. Port. Doon tayo tumambay doon. So yan, pwede kayo mag-rent ng bangka dito. Tapos ikutin yung buong lake. So ayun na yung malaking Ferris wheel. Ano mas malaki ito? Si Enchanted?
Ito. Malaki to.
Malaki ba yan? So mas malaki doon siya kasi isa. Malaki na 1 inch kuya. Oh, meron train. So, may train. So ito yung foreigner na interview natin kanina.
Hello. Hello again, sir.
Sawadi ha.
Kano na ha?
Okay. So ito siguro yung nakita nila ano. Nila MC Duck. Dalawa kaya Ducks.
Wow.
Yan. Couples yan.
Yeah, in my country, this you will not find this alive. This is already.
Kuya, bad yun.
Ha?
Bad yun.
Ay, ba't ba yun? Sorry. Nangahabol kaya
Hindi
yan?
talaga to kuya, may. Tuko.
Nangahabol kaya yan?
So ito na yung old port.
Duck yun. Ganda naman yun eh. Crane ba? Nasa kung bukada ba? O yung ano, 360 ano.
Ano yan kuya?
Kasama Big Ben.
Ito yung bridge.
Palman yun di baka malaglag yung sarpan.
So dito na tatapusin natin video. So ito na yun. Isang 360.
Uy.
Okay na mga tropa. Peace.